Managing property claims means juggling spreadsheets, emails, deadlines, and carrier calls. And the work lives across too many disconnected tools. Claim Titan brings it all into one place, built by and for claims specialists. Every claim, every document, every financial, organized the way you actually work. Built for your entire claims workflow, from adjusters and contractors to appraisers and umpires. One complete platform that replaces 5 different tools. Track RCV, ACV, depreciation, and settlements with the math updating itself. Set your workflows once, and new claims build themselves automatically. Pull instant, NOAA-sourced weather reports with max wind and hail on every claim. Generate documents, collect e-signatures, and log every carrier email automatically. Smart AI research tools are an optional add-on, and the platform works fully without them. Stop managing spreadsheets. Start managing claims. Book your demo at claimtitan.com.